I'm gonna be using this there's no sticker on it, but 1000-hour enhanced beauty thing. It's to dye your eyebrows and your eyelashes, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do my eyelashes because I don't wanna, you know, burn my eye off or anything. So I'm gonna be doing that, and it comes with a little kit like this. I've already used it before on my mother-in-law, so that's why it's dirty. But it comes in a little kit like this, and all you're gonna do is mix the, it's like hair dye. All you do is mix it together and it should come out good. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it on my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna take some on my brush that I normally use to put on makeup on my eyebrows and do my eyebrows. My eyebrows aren't done right now. Because it is like hair dye, it's a developer like fluid, liquid, whatever, and so I'm pretty sure this will hurt if it gets in your eye, so just please be careful. I already got all this tint and stuff all under my nose. Easier putting it on. My eyelashes are really light for my hair being so dark. I don't understand. So I just have a little bit more product. I'm just gonna be careful because you see I was already dripping. Be careful how I put it on. Remember, you don't want it under your eye. me getting it in my eye. Okay, so I think that's good. Your eyebrow, you're only supposed to leave it on for like 10 minutes. And I see the embaradas. So I did my eyelashes as best as I could because I'm scared to do my eyelashes. So I pretty much did everything I was supposed to. So this, I'm just gonna clean up what I can. What if it did paint the skin and I'm over here looking crazy because I thought it did. Oh well, we all learned one day. So I'm just gonna clean what's left over because there was like a little bit with this, so it won't stain as bad as it did last time. My hands are all dirty. So let's go ahead and see what we're working with. Yeah, you see, so a lot of it does come off, but I see what it does. It like leaves your hairs tinted. So my eyelashes, I think they should be good. I'm not gonna take those off. I think those will survive a little bit longer because I just did them. Sorry guys, I'm getting OCD because there's dye under my nails and they look dirty. But yeah, my eyebrow is starting to itch. I don't know if I like put like a load of amount of dye on there. So I'm just gonna go to the restroom and brush them through, but this is how they look so far. The eyelash as well, because I'm telling you, it's starting to itch. I don't know what that means. I threw away the little paper that it came with. And it tells you like what to do and what not to do. But it is starting to itch, guys. They do look darker though. A tad bit. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go wash my face. I'm gonna go wash my face and then I'll come back and tell you guys how I look. I'll show you guys. What am I gonna tell you? Okay guys, so this is how it looks. Okay, this is my eyebrows. I like them. This is my eyelash. My eyelashes didn't come out that dark, but I mean it's okay. It looks semi-decent and it looks a little bit different, so that's what matters. So what about this again? I mean I would, but I would want somebody to kind of tint for me my eyelashes because I would want them darker. Also I would want to know why I started itching. I don't know. I need to find the little book that I have for this thing because I do have a little book and it says, you know, what to do. Also, this is waterproof and smudge proof. So what I did when I went to the restroom to wash my face was I didn't just use water, I used my face cleanser, and this is how it stayed. So it stayed kind of tinted still, even for the cleanser. So 6 weeks. 4 to 6 weeks. I wish 2 to 8, right? But we will see if it will last 4 to 6 weeks, because I'm obviously not doing makeup because my skin is breaking out right now and stuff. So I'm not doing makeup, but I usually do my eyebrows still. So if this does last 4 to 6 weeks, I won't need to do my eyebrows. So with that being said, drop down in the comments section if you think that this worked on me, or if you think it didn't, or you think I look the same. I don't know. But yeah, this is the box. I don't know if I showed you guys right. Okay, so that's the box. And yeah guys, that's my video. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you want me to try like more things, and I'll do that for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.